and has interviewed a huge range of political and well-known global industry figures throughout her time. She is now the managing editor of Network 18 Media and has her own show, Advantage, with Palki Sharma, to share the challenges and triumphs that have shaped her career, as well as the passion and the purpose of her storytelling. I'm now delighted to welcome on stage, please give a very warm welcome to Palki Sharma, Managing Editor of Network 18 Media. How are you? Thank you so much for joining us. This is very exciting you're here. Yes, please do take a seat. How does it feel to be in the other seat, answering the questions this time?
I will be more sympathetic to my guests.
It's
to see that.
Brilliant. Right, I wanted to start off with a tweet that I read online from you, and it says, "I hope I live to see the time where the world doesn't need a woman's day to recognize